I told you I don't.
Oh my.
This is why we don't drink and mow grass. And this is why we can't have nice fucking things.
Y'all might as well just fire me. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know how the fuck I did some dumbass shit like this. Yeah, this might be my last motherfucking day.
Just ran over some steel inch cable. I still got all this to mow. Oh, this guy's having a bad day. There's his truck. The gate's open. And there's his lawnmower. Came off at the intersection.
Hey, you can't park there. Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? $20? No, too much money.